How do I download and install a third-party app?
Hello, and welcome to our tutorial on how to download and install a third-party app. In today's digital age, third-party applications play a significant role in enhancing our device's functionalities. However, it's crucial to proceed with caution to maintain the security and integrity of your device. Let's dive into it.
What is a third-party app?
Before we start, it's important to understand what a third-party app is. Essentially, these are applications that are developed and provided by vendors other than the device's manufacturer or the operating system provider. They offer functionalities that might not be available from the default app suite on your device.
Where to find third-party apps?
Third-party apps are often found on platforms other than the official App Store for your device, like Google Play Store for Android or App Store for iOS. Some of these platforms include websites of the software developers or third-party app stores. Always make sure to choose trusted and reliable sources to avoid malicious software.
How to download a third-party app?
Now, let's talk about how to download a third-party app. Here are the steps. 1. Locate the app you want to download from a trusted source. 2. Click on the download link or button usually provided on the page. This should download the app installer, typically an APK file for Android or an IPA file for iOS, onto your device. Remember, always verify the source of the app before downloading it to avoid any potential security risks.
How to install a third-party app?
Once you have downloaded the app, here's how to install it. 1. For Android, 2. Go to your device's settings, find the security settings. 3. Look for an option that says Unknown Sources or Install Unknown Apps and enable it. This allows the installation of apps from sources other than the Play Store. 4. Locate the downloaded APK file in your device storage, usually in the Downloads folder, tap on it and follow the prompts to install the app. 5. For iOS, requires jailbreaking. 6. Open Cydia, go to the Sources tab. 7. Tap on Edit, then Add, and enter the URL of the app source. 8. Tap on Add Source. Once the source has been added, search for the app in Cydia and install it. Note: be aware that installing apps from unknown sources or jailbreaking your iOS device may pose a significant security risk and can void warranties. That's it. You have learned how to download and install a third-party app safely. Just remember to always use trusted sources and be aware of the potential risks involved. We hope this tutorial has been helpful. Stay safe and happy exploring.